Do you want to jump into affiliate marketing, but you're afraid of getting burned? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $2 million with one video, even if you're a small channel. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to go through this really fast for you. How to use your YouTube channel, what niches. This niche is crazy. Check this out. Okay, so we're going to go up to the search bar. Okay, the secret niche is ambient noise. Ambient noise. Okay, people who use ambient noise to fall asleep, to meditate, to do all kinds of stuff, and they play these things for hours. Some people make 10-hour videos of just meditation style, videos, ambient noise. So the first one appears an ad, okay? But then the second one here from Ultimate Ambient Noise, 22 million views. The next one, 5.7 million views. The next one, 9.5 million views. The next one, 8.5 million views. The next one, 52 million views, okay? This one, 10,000 views. There's a lot of views in this niche, okay? This is a hot niche. Now you're going to say, what are you talking about? White noise, okay? Rain, planes, water, ocean, all kind of, you name it. Anything that's white noise could be just static from the television, the old TV static. Okay, there are channels that all they do are make these videos with ambient noise, and they run them for. This one here is 8 hours long. Okay, this one here is 8 hours long. This one here is 10 hours long. Okay, so they're running them for 10 hours so people can go to sleep. People are playing these while they're going to sleep. Now, when you have ads on those videos, right? When you have ads on those videos, they automatically play. So you're getting paid with AdSense. Okay. Now of course you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but we're going to get to that. You're going to get that by putting out content. You got to keep putting out content, and you're going to say to yourself, I can't do this until you become monetized with YouTube with AdSense. I'm going to show you how to use affiliate marketing. Okay. Look at all the views you're getting. Now, if you only get 1% of those views to buy something from you, you're going to be making a good chunk of change. The next thing we got to do is make a video. Okay, so we're going to make a video. We're going to use copyright-free images. We're going to use copyright-free videos. We're going to use copyright audio and all kinds of stuff like that. I'm not going to go into what editor I'm using, because you can use any editor. There's free editors out there, depending on the editor you use. Okay, if you look up here in the top left, stock media, I can go to stock media and I can search rain, and they'll give me all of these free rain videos that I can use. Okay, let me move out of the way of this, and and I can just drag this down to the timeline and put it in there. Okay, and then if this one here, and if I want, I can just keep putting it down and keep putting it down. So these are little short 8-second clips. Okay, so you're gonna keep building up till you get to however many hours you want. If you want an 8-hour one, or you want to just make some YouTube shorts to get some traffic and to get some, you can use the YouTube shorts, make them like 30 seconds long, right? And this way you'll build up your subscribers and your watch hours. Okay, so then let's go up here and we're gonna search thunder. Right. Okay, and then we got all kinds of thunder things here. All right, so we can play that right on top. Right. And we're going to need some noise. Okay, so we're going to need some noise. So we're going to go down. And okay, down here. Okay, they got some noises down here. Okay, there's other places you can get free stock photos and videos. You can go to pexels.com, P-E-X-E-L-S, pexels.com. They have all kinds of free, copyright-free videos and pictures, and you can download all kinds of stuff. You could download, let me see now if I go over here, we can search for waves, right? You search for waves. They have 15,000 photos, 6,000, almost 7,000 videos. So you grab a video. And let's take this one. Okay. And you just download these videos, and you download soundtrack of waves crashing, and you just put them all together in the video editor. If you want to know how to use a video editor, leave a comment in the comment section. Maybe I'll make a video on how to use a video editor. Okay, but you make these quick videos, and like I said, you can make shorts out of these, or you can turn around and make the 8-hour, 10-hour videos, and you have people watch them when they're sleeping, and you run, and eventually you're going to get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, and you're going to get your AdSense, and you're going to make money on ads. But until then, you're going to do affiliate marketing. So you go to a place called Clickbank. So you come to Clickbank, you go to the marketplace, you sign up for free, and you look for here it goes. Forget all about manifestation and numerology. This is a brand new thing. It's got a high gravity, 58 gravity. That's very high. And the average conversion is $267. Okay, so imagine this. You put the affiliate link to this product in your video. All right. Now, how many were they getting? They were getting multiple millions of multiple millions. Okay, so you get 1 million views. 1% of 1 million is 10,000. So the 10,000 people go and buy your stuff. Okay, 1% of 1 million is 10,000, right? So 10,000 people are going to buy your stuff, and you're going to make 10,000 times. It's incredible. 1% is going to go and check out whatever your link is in your description. Okay, so 1%. Like I said, 10,000 people. So 10,000 people are going to buy. Okay, so you're going to times that by 267. No, 2,670,000. $2,670,000 you're going to make on one video. Okay, and that's without the AdSense. Okay, so, and that's if only 1% of the people who watch the video click the link. All right. Now, in all honesty, that's not the way it's going to happen. So you got the 1 million views. 1 million times 1% is 10,000. So that's how many people go and look at your link. That's how many people go and look at your description. 1% of 1 million will go and look at your description, read your description. Now, 1% of those people, okay, are going to go ahead and buy your so that's 1%. 100 people are going to buy. 100 people out of the 1 million views. So you get 1 million views. 10,000 people are going to check out the description. 100 people are going to buy. And we said it was 267. Okay? $26,000 on one video, and that's without the AdSense. Okay? Now, this is heavy stuff. This is a big money maker. If you're going to take this advice and you're going to use manifestation, spirituality, meditation, ambient noise, waves, babies crying, you can name, cats purring, that, all kinds of crazy noises that people find soothing, boats in a harbor, seagulls, all of these noises, and people will play these videos for 8 to 10 hours at a time with the AdSense rolling and the affiliate marketing, the affiliate links banging off. It's a moneymaker. Okay. Subscribe to the channel because I just taught you how to be a millionaire.